Yo, what up? So right here, you can see this section here that says need more info, enter your product information here. You might want to add your custom text fields to Shopify in your product page and you do not know how you can go about it. Today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to add custom text fields to Shopify product pages without you needing any application. And you as a beginner can do this, even if you don't know jack about coding. So let's go straight and I'll put you through. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your online store just like this. You come to your themes and as you know the drill, you go to your customize. Then once you're on your home page just like this in your edit section, you come here to this drop down and you click on products. And the next thing you click on default product. Now that you are here, you want to add the text field to your Shopify product page. All right. And in case you want to learn how I'm able to add these agree all terms and condition, you can check out my channel. I've got a lot of tutorials teaching how you can add these to your store. Now let's go ahead and edit this. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on this product information. So whatever theme you're using, you will surely have this section because this is the template. So you want to click on this drop down in product information and we want to add a block. Remember, you are adding a block. These sections inside these little sections inside the main section are called blocks. So I'm going to go ahead now and right here under this buy button or under maybe variant speaker or whatever, just hover around that and click on this plus icon. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, click on that. And as you can see blocks here. So I'm going to search for custom liquid. Just search custom and you can see custom liquid. And we want to go ahead and, use that. Now it's the section it's going to be here. You can also drag it to anywhere if you want it, anywhere you want it. If you want it under the add to cart, you can add it there, but I'm sure it should be on top of the add to cart, but you can easily just drag it. You can see I found it easy to drag and all that. Now I'm going to go ahead now and click on the custom liquid. And once you're here, you can see this little code section here, and I'm going to give you a doc. So right here is the doc. And right here is the code that you paste. Now remember, this is easy. Even a beginner can do this. So don't freak because I just said code. Now just copy this up to this div and go ahead, copy. Now I'm gonna head back to Shopify. And right here, I'm just gonna paste it right here. And let's see the magic. So you see, it has already shown the text field. Okay, so now your customers can easily go ahead and input their details. Okay, they can just go ahead and input. You can see it's very easy. Okay, so this is how you go about this. All right, and in case you want to change maybe this text, it's very easy also. Just go ahead to the custom liquid once again, and you can see this part that says enter your request here. You can change it to anything. Okay, you can say enter your product information here. Okay, just change it, this placeholder. I can just say products information. Okay, or whatever it is you just want to add there, you can add it, and you see it's already changed. Okay, so you can actually also edit it to your own, to whatever you want it to be inside the placement, and your customers, they're gonna go ahead and fill it up. And you can see it says please fill in this field. So it's very important because if they do not fill it, then there is chance that they might not be able to move to the next section. So whatever it is, they need to always put it there. Now this is how you can go about and customize your text fields to Shopify product pages without you needing any application. So if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials just like this. And also like this video, even if you don't want to subscribe, just go ahead, like, and also share. Please share so that a lot of people also can get information like this, and a lot of beginners can do this easily. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and bye for now.